viewers, I discuss today an interesting property of self-adjoint operator. Let's watch till the end of this video. If A1 and A2 be two self-adjoint operators on a Hilbert space H, then their product A1 A2 is self-adjoint, which imply and only imply A1 A2 equals to A2 A1. How to prove this result? Let's watch this video till the end. And if we consider that the A1 A2 be two self-adjoint operators on a Hilbert space H, then we can say this result A1 star is equal to A1 and A2 star is equal to A2. This is our result of the Hilbert spaces of self-adjoint operator, and we already know that Hilbert space is the complex space in functional analysis, and we are taking the properties of self-adjoint operators. And now suppose A1 and A2 commute. That commutative means A1 is A2 is equal to A2 A1, and then we prove that A1 A2 is, and we have A1 A2 whole star, that will be equals to A2 star A1 star. This is the property of adjoincy, and if this is self-adjoint, as A2 A1 are self-adjoint, so A2 star is equal to A2 and A1 star equals to A1, and already we have A2 A1 that will be equals to A1 A2, and therefore we can say A1 A2 is self-adjoint. And as we say, A1 A2 whole star equals to A1 A2. So that is a property also, is self-adjoincy. So we are taking this result. And now conversely, suppose that A1 A2 is self-adjoint. We are assuming these conditions. Then we have A1 A2 star equals to A1 A2, and which imply A1 A2 star means A2 star A1 star, and that will also be equals to A1 A2, and which imply A2 A1. That is A2 star is a self-adjoint, A2 is self-adjoint, so A2 star equals to A2, and also A1 star is equal to A1. So that will be in the condition of A2 A1 is equal to A1 A2. So finally we are get back our result, A2 A1 is equal to A1 A2. This is the conditions of the commutation and commutative properties, and which indicates that A1 A2 are called the self-adjoint operator. So finally we are proving our result, desired result. We end our discussions today. If you like this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.